Let's just jump right in and ask something very real and, honestly, a little bit uncomfortable. Have you ever experienced that incredibly universal frustration where, you finally get paid, you feel that brief moment of relief, and then, poof, you watch the money practically vanish within days? You look at your bank balance and think, wait, I literally just got paid, how is it almost empty again? If that feeling hits close to home, well, you're exactly in the right place. Today we're unraveling the disappearing money mystery.
Does your money just disappear? I mean, it certainly feels like it has a mind of its own, right? But I've got to hit you with a hard truth right out of the gate here. The reason your bank account is running on fumes by the end of the month, it's not your income. It's actually your money habits. Most people deeply believe that being broke simply means they don't earn enough money. We convince ourselves, oh, if I just got a raise or a new job, all my financial stress would completely evaporate. But, spoiler alert, that is a complete myth.
Okay, let's dive into this, because this next part shatters the income myth entirely. Let's look at two totally different realities. On one side, you have someone earning $1,000 a month who consistently manages to save money. On the other side, you've got someone earning 5 times that amount, $5,000 a month, who is completely broke. Now, how is that mathematically possible? What's the real difference between these two people? It is not the amount of cash flowing in. It all comes down to behavior. Your behavior with money dictates your wealth, regardless of the size of your paycheck. So we're going to systematically break down the exact behavioral traps that are keeping you stuck in this exhausting paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. There are 4 specific reasons your money is vanishing, and identifying which of these traps you're falling into is the very first step to breaking free.
Section 1. 4 reasons you're broke. So, the very first trap, you're broke because your decisions are impulsive. This is the classic trap of emotional spending over logical spending. Just think about how relatable this is. A brand new phone drops and boom, you instantly buy it. A flash sale pops up in your inbox and suddenly you're buying something you didn't even know you wanted 10 minutes ago. Or, your friends are all going out and you don't want to feel left out. Hello, fear of missing out. So you swipe your card yet again. You aren't broke because the cost of living is insurmountable. You're broke because your purchasing decisions in the moment are highly impulsive and totally emotionally driven. Moving on to the second trap, which is actually incredibly passive, having no clear money plan. Look, if you don't actively tell your money where to go, it is more than happy to just disappear on its own. You don't track your spending, you don't save first, and you don't budget at all. And because of this total lack of direction, your money enters your account loudly on payday and then just quietly exits throughout the month. This is exactly why you reach the 30th of the month swearing, I didn't even spend that much. Well, actually, scratch that. You absolutely did. You just didn't notice it happening. And this brilliantly illustrates a third trap that almost nobody talks about: lifestyle inflation. Your income goes up. Maybe you finally got that promotion or found a much better paying job, but your savings, they stubbornly stay at 0. Why? Because the exact moment you start earning more, your lifestyle suddenly becomes more expensive. You start buying better clothes, maybe ordering takeout way more frequently, going on more outings, and making completely unnecessary upgrades to your life. So that extra money is silently consumed before it ever even has the chance to hit a savings account. The final reason we stay broke really just comes down to human biology. We are literally wired to chase short-term pleasure. Our brains crave that quick happiness and instant satisfaction. Buying a shiny new item, that gives you a hit of dopamine right now. On the flip side, behaviors like saving and investing, well, they feel incredibly slow. The rewards seem so far away that we often just don't bother with them. But the reality is that wealth is systematically built by people who have mastered the art of delaying pleasure, not by those who chase instant gratification every single day. So, okay, we've diagnosed the illness. We know exactly why the money is disappearing. Now let's pivot and cure it. If you want to stop feeling broke, you need a grounded, immediate plan of attack to take back control of your resources.
Section 2. How to fix it fast.
Here is your rapid-fire roadmap to fix your finances fast. It consists of 3 critical, absolutely non-negotiable steps. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Step 2. Track every expense. And Step 3. Stop emotional spending. Think of this as your brand new behavioral blueprint. Let's break down exactly how to execute each of these, starting right now.
So, the crucial point is step 1, 10%. You absolutely must pay yourself first. Before you pay your rent, before you pay your credit card, and 100% before you buy anything fun, you need to save at least 10% of your income. You just take it off the top immediately. Now, if 10% feels completely impossible right now, that is totally okay.
Start with 5% or, hey, even 1%. The actual percentage matters a lot less than the habit itself. You have to start the behavior of prioritizing your future self before you fund your current lifestyle.
Step 2. Track your money for just 7 days to see where it really goes. Look, I am not telling you to become some kind of spreadsheet fanatic for the rest of your life. I'm just asking you to do this for one single week, purely for awareness. Write down every single dollar that leaves your hands. Every coffee, every streaming subscription, every random late-night online purchase. When you force yourself to physically look at where the cash is leaking, you are going to be completely shocked. And honestly, that shock is exactly what you need to break the cycle of your money exiting quietly.
Section 3. The real wealth mindset. Now, applying these steps will definitely fix your immediate cash flow problem. But to truly secure your future, we need a fundamental mindset shift. Really let this sink in. You become rich by controlling what you already earn. This right here is the real game. You simply cannot out-earn bad spending habits. You've got to stop waiting for a magical higher salary to suddenly fix your financial life. Your financial future, your freedom, and your peace of mind, they entirely depend on the behaviors you choose to change today using the exact paycheck you already have.
I want to leave you with this final, incredibly powerful behavioral filter to conquer Step 3, stopping emotional spending. Before you make your very next purchase, whether it's later today or tomorrow morning, I want you to pause, look at the item, and ask yourself this exact question. Do I genuinely need this, or do I just want it right now? Because mastering the honest answer to that one simple question, that will ultimately save you more money and build you more wealth than any job upgrade ever could.